Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to edit a Google Form on your iPhone. So here, first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Drive, since the Google Form will be saved on our drive, and then after that we just need to look for which drive or which Google Form that we want to edit. So here I already found mine, and then just click it to open. And now there is an option how you want to open the Google Form with. So I want to choose the Chrome, and after we are generated into the Google Form, now we have an access to edit this Google Form. You can edit whatever you want. You can edit the descriptions of the Google Form here, or you want to edit the other thing, like you want to switch the positions of the question. You can do it by just like click and hold it, and then when it's being moved able, you can move it and drag into the positions that you want to put. And then after that, if you want to add more questions, you can click the plus button here, and then you can add the question that you want to put. For example, make them to put their email here, and then after that you can choose the answer category. Either you want a short answer or you want to make it as a paragraph. Since we want to have an email information, we can choose the short answer, and you can do so for the next question. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.